What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Feel good today, making a little moves, really just getting prepared for today. I can't tell y'all what today is, but I'm getting prepared, man. So I'm just showing y'all a little behind the scenes, cause we're about to be moving some stuff around. All of that, I gotta get a heater box for wife's car, which I'm trying to make time for that, and all that good stuff. So you know, we got Big Meech about to move. Finally, Meech's about to move from out this spot. For what reason, I can't say. Not right now. But y'all will see in time. Meech will be coming right back home though. So I guess that'll take down some people's speculation. Meech will be coming right back home tonight. But we got to go, man. We got to take that car off somewhere for something. And yeah, that's why I'm moving all this stuff around. We finna move brown coat. Shoot, I might drive brown. Nah, I ain't driving brown coat tonight, man. I don't be liking driving my cars at night. Reason being, cause the country roads and them Bambies is out, man. I ain't even trying to even come close to having an accident. So finna get all this stuff uncovered. And my boy Cool Car KJ coming. Y'all know I use the same people. So yeah, man, let me get rolling. He'll probably be here in about an hour. So I'm gonna catch y'all. All right, y'all. Boy, tired. I got Meech pushed back right here. I just thought about it before going to the trailer. This hood got to be bolted down. Cause if not, that wind get up on it, it's gonna be the show. It's gonna be the show. And I still need to get a grill, man. I keep forgetting this grill about to fall off. So I still need a grill. And I want that same grill. I don't want no Tiara or nothing. People should know. They done know this car is gonna always look like this. Same form, same 84 and on the front end. The chrome, the fender gonna stay cut like that. Just to remind me, it's gonna always stay like that. It's gonna be perfectly imperfect. True definition. It's gonna be painted, but it's gonna be imperfect because you got that old hack job. Cause it back in the day, man, when you had the 305 or 35 24 tire. So I mean, that's how the hack job was. I'm gonna keep it like that. Only thing coming out the hood. I hate that hood. I had a hood. If you go look at some old video, I had a cow hood, but it was not this one. I keep telling people that this is a whole different hood. This thing riveted on. Mine was molded on and started from the front and went up like it's supposed to. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna take it off. It's gonna be back flat hood and all that. Only reason I put a hood on it cause it needed it for the breathing and stuff. It needed it, so you know. But yeah, man, we gonna I'm waiting on KJ to pull up. I get him to help me put this hood on, which won't take but a few seconds. And then we got to get this car to Joe Buddy Racing, so we got some stuff going on. All I can say, got some stuff going on, man. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we back. Y'all see we got the truck guard, Cool Car KJ in the building. Finna help me put the hood on, cause I was thinking about it. I said we don't need no wind getting under the hood. Right. And it taking flight. Right, we don't want to spend no unnecessary money on no hood. I know that right. It'll cause an accident. Somebody get hurt. So we about to put this on right quick, then take off. Y'all stay tuned. I'll roll the time lapse. Alright y'all, so I just made it to the shop. I see we got my boy Jason MC out here about to do, and we got KJ just made it. Yeah. Huh? Right here.
Back in that one.
You can pull in there, we'll unload it. Alright, so KJ just made it with Big Meech. We about to get it. Unloaded, and then we're gonna get it put right here. So, well, we're gonna get it in the shop. So right now, I'm moving everything around and all of that. So y'all just stay tuned. And you know, I'm gonna inform y'all on what we got going on. At least a little behind the scenes for right now, and then we'll get with y'all later. So y'all just stay tuned. Be on the lookout. Gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. KJ gonna get this thing back in here. Like finna go turn around, then he gonna pull up right there, then he gonna back on in here. So turn y'all back on when he pull up. Y'all make sure to go subscribe. Cool Car KJ, aka the truck guard. Y'all make sure to go subscribe to him and check him out. Which most of y'all have anyway. It's crazy, man. Big Meech has not been to this shop since I got it back. This where it all started. Like this, it came out this shop or whatever. So originally, so it's finna be in the same spot it was in when we first put the big block in. So it's gonna be crazy, man. It about to be crazy. So he about to come back and we're gonna get this thing loaded up. Well, not loaded up, unloaded. And I'll catch y'all in a minute.
Traffic's crazy.
I know it's ridiculous out here, but it's traffic. Man, this street right here be booming compared to what the other side. Yeah, where Aunt was at with the other side, boy.
The thing about buying for you, you have to worry about the traffic.
Yeah, exactly.
The traffic's terrible. It ain't terrible, but it's traffic.
It crazy, y'all. It's unload it and push it. That's what he said too, dude. We want to unload and push it.
Oh, I want that.
Y'all see KJ a bad man. KJ a bad man, y'all. Huh? You good? Alright, y'all, look. While we over here, I got to show y'all this. Y'all ain't never, well, y'all saw it with dog, but this right here is the original. The original car. Look, at one time he talked about scrapping the car. He had an accident in the car, first accident, but we told him he can't scrap it. I mean, it totaled, but we told him he can't scrap it, man. He just gotta. So it literally just a body, just sitting in here. body and frame, man. The frame bent and still sitting here on the jack stand, but we told him he got to always keep it, cause it started out, it was his street car. It started out in the road and stuff, man. I remember the day we were down, they had the accident, had a mean big block, it just changed it. But we said you can't never get rid of it. So this that car right here, man. This a legend. Y'all watch my channel. If y'all watch my channel from way back, this the car. This the car right here. This not the one, the flamethrower y'all seen. This the flamethrower right here. Y'all see the front end got the 4 headlight, but this the one right here, man. Like, he got all 3 of these, but this one right here can't go nowhere. But we got Meech in here after some twisting and turning and everything. Y'all see the truck guard, man. He got in here, got it done for me. Always looking out for me, man. You know, I appreciate him for real. Always. After a while, the whole fleet gonna be on your trailer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So he's knocking them down, y'all. But we got the car right here. I actually need to wipe that wheel off. I should have wiped the wheel off before I left, man. So I'm finna get some wipe that wheel off, y'all. And we're gonna turn y'all back on. All right, y'all. So this what we got going on. Y'all see it, man. We finna get ready to shoot. You got all the lights set up. Y'all see Real Rides TV. Y'all make sure y'all check that out, cause this is what I've been telling y'all. A big thing we got going on. So when he get it all done, y'all gonna have to check it out, man. It's about to be real nice. So we finna get ready to shoot. Uncle over here too, everything. So y'all know we had to do it in the original spot. This was the secret, but this is day 1, so y'all gonna have to stay tuned in. I'm vlogging this today to give y'all that. And y'all just tune in, man. Y'all make sure you go subscribe to a channel anyway, and especially check out what he did with my fam Boost Doc. So y'all go check that out. BCG, we're gonna be on there soon. And I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get finished, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so it's the next day. I just really realized man, I forgot to close the video out. I forgot to close the video out for y'all, man. But y'all see, making moves, man. Making moves, man. Still happening or whatever, man. So it's gonna be real interesting. It's about to be real epic. All I can say, man, it's gonna be an epic little situation. So y'all just stay tuned in with me, BCG, man. I'm telling you, we make stuff happen, man. We make stuff happen. So I got to appreciate Cool Car KJ once again, man, for always coming through, looking out. I got to appreciate my Aunt Joe Buddy, letting her use the shop and all that. And for doing everything he did anyway. He got John Jones back in a timely manner and got it done so we can have it ready. Because we still need it too or something. So, hey, man, I just appreciate everybody, man. So I had to come tell y'all I'm out, man. I can't just close the video out and then say, hey, man, I'm out of here. But y'all know, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all tune in tomorrow. Got some more coming for y'all. BCG, we out.